Hello to all the great people out there. Today I have something a little bit different. I'm going to do a unboxing and a small little wee review, I guess, of the products I just received. Well, I placed an order with Rapid LED. This time I'm got it actually from Rapid LED Canada. They have an office now open in British Columbia. And I ordered myself 12 heat sinks for a new project, a new LED build. I did unpack one set of 6 so far, and I did a partial unpack of this. I should have waited, but give you an idea here of the quality of packaging that they get at Rapid LED. We'd have to look at what's left on this one here. So it's nicely stuffed around with the peanuts, the non-edible kind, and it's nice and firm. Nothing was moved around or anything inside the package, and these boxes went from British Columbia all the way to Labrador. So it's from one side of the country to the other. And they arrived in perfect shape. Now comes to the actually wrapping of the heat sinks. As you can see here, Rapid LED do a wonderful job. They're very, very nicely wrapped. The chances of any damage are pretty slim with the popcorn and the bubble wrap. So that's a very, very nice thing to see. Rapid LED also, when you order the pin heat sinks, they send the screws for mounting your cobs and for mounting the heat sinks to whatever substrate you wish. We also included this awesome Rapid LED slab. That's definitely going on the light for sure. So let's move on to the next part there, where I have them all removed out of the box. I will say, if you do make an order, Rapid even listed on the website that it is possible to receive some heat sinks with some bent fins. And you just take the outside of a pin, slide it down over, and bend it back in shape. But I went through 6 of them and haven't found not one bent pin. So that's a big old thumbs up there for the packaging for sure. Really, really good job on the packaging. Yeah, they're nice anodized black. And these little holes here for your wiring and different types of diodes and reflectors and stuff on the other holes. But there's no sharp edges around where the wiring goes, which is a really good thing. No burrs on this surface. We do have a little bit of a burr here, and it looks like these were originally totally round. They just cut a few off to make it make a flat surface here to actually make it mountable. It's kind of hard when they were perfectly round. But the quality of the heatsink is very, very nice. And we'll pick this one up here just to give you a little. You can pretty well see that it pretty well stands out big time if there's a bent pin. But what we'll do is we're going to go through and I'm going to show you the tops of the remainder of them. And like I say, if there was a bent pin, it would stick out like a sore thumb. Now what looks like missing pins here, that's actually where I'll go after this one here. I put my hand right in the way on that one. That's where the mount for the holes for the wire to come up through, which is normal. So very happy with these. And what we're going to be doing with these are we're going to mount some Bridgelux Vero 29s. And this set of holes here, the center one, is for the Vero 29. I will be doing some custom designed and 3D printed reflectors for this, and we'll see how it goes. So for this particular build we're looking at, I'm going to use 9 of these heat sinks. Total wattage is from the cobs will be 450 watts. And then we're going to probably start adding some maybe some diodes, or let's do something to it to make it look trippy anyway. So if you have any ideas or concepts to you know, make this build a little bit different, please feel free to drop it in the comments, and hey, we'll see what we can do. Let's make it different. Alright, well, thank you very much for watching. I hope you enjoyed this little episode here, and definitely check it out, rapidled.com. Their customer service is amazing, the pricing is awesome, and they just sell all good stuff. So you don't even have to worry about buying some old junky crap, because they don't sell it. So check out rapidled.com or Rapid LED Canada if you're in Canada, and I'm sure you're going to have a lot of fun shopping there, like I have. Well, thank you very much, and I will see you next time. Bye for now.